keeping cats may increase the chances of psychological issues, research reveals. A large-scale research analysis has sparked intense controversy after revealing that keeping cats may double the risk of mental illnesses such as schizophrenia. The conclusion is based on a comprehensive review of studies conducted over 44 years across 11 Western countries. Dr. John McGrath, a psychiatrist at the Queensland Centre for Mental Health Research in Australia, led the study. He explained that his team reviewed 17 studies published over several years and found a noticeable positive association between cat ownership and the risk of schizophrenia-related mental disorders. He emphasized that more rigorous research is necessary before drawing definitive conclusions, as reported by the science website Science Alert the Toxoplasma. Debate. Attention toward a link between cats and schizophrenia began with a significant 1995 study when it was suggested that a parasite called Toxoplasma gondii could be transmitted to humans through cats. This parasite only reproduces inside cats, but can enter the human body through contaminated food, cat bites, or contact with cat feces. It is estimated that the parasite affects nearly 40 million people in the United States without noticeable symptoms. However, various studies have connected it to changes in behavior and increased chances of certain psychological conditions, including schizophrenia. Researchers pointed out that this association does not necessarily prove that cats directly cause these disorders, or that parasite transmission is the main factor. Contradictory and surprising findings, the study presents a mixed picture. Some studies linked childhood cat ownership, especially between ages 9 and 12, to a higher risk of mental illness later in life, while others found no such connection. A U.S. study involving 354 psychology students found no link between cat ownership and schizotypal personality scores. But it did show that the experience of cat bites was associated with higher scores. Another study suggested that certain bacteria, such as Pasteurella multocida, may be responsible for psychological effects rather than the Toxoplasma parasite alone. Researchers also noted that 15 out of the 17 studies were case studies, methods that cannot directly establish cause and effect. Furthermore, many studies did not control for all influencing factors, such as health or environmental background, the need for more rigorous research. Despite the controversy, the Australian team emphasized that the current findings warrant further scientific investigation. They stressed that while the analysis indicates a possible link worth studying, it is still too early to issue any behavioral or health-related recommendations. According to Dr. McGrath, there is an urgent need for large-scale studies using stronger methodologies to better understand whether cats truly play any role in the risk of mental illnesses. The research was published in the prestigious journal Schizophrenia Bulletin, reigniting debate about the potential role of household pets in human psychological health.